In Little Seoul. Gunshots reported. Respond code 3.
444 bullshit they pinned on.
Hear that? Now LT's been riding my ass about getting my ticket quota up.
You don't have to tell me.
That shook me up.
Roger, 1 Adam 10. Approach with caution.
Get to cover!
Christ! Reloading!
Always 5 minutes before I go home.
We have an ambulance call in Little Seoul. Respond code 3. Ambulance. Assistance required in Little Seoul.
What the fuck, dude?
I see the body.
Come on, let's go.
Assistance needed in Little Seoul.
Don't die on me.
Copy that. On my way.
Assistance required in Little Seoul.
Roger, dispatch. We are en route.
Reloading!
Los Santos? More like los demonios.
I did everything within my power.
Come on, let's go. Rápido, rápido. Diablos,
Assistance required in Little Seoul.
hell, not looking good.
Might as well get the body bag out.
Se acabó. They're gone, bro. Ah, we lost him. Let's move. Con prisas. Oh, man, this is awful.
Ah!
Wait there! You're under arrest, dumbass!
All right, give me something.
187 was not their lucky number.
We might be too late.
Come on, people, let's do it. Man, what a disaster.
What the hell?
We did everything by the book.
I'll cover you. Hold it!
I tried my best.
You're mine now.
They're
Do
gone.
not panic. Help has arrived.
We're on the clock, folks. Oh man, this is ugly.
Any signs of life?
Backup required in Little Seoul.
Copy that, dispatch.
San Andreas is a freaking death trap.
Hello. Give me a chance.
Now LT's been riding my ass about getting my ticket quota up.
Hello. I don't give a shit.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers needed. We have a person with a firearm, a robbery in Little Seoul.
Oh, yeah. Had a goddamn 1091 yesterday. Wish we could shoot the little yappers.
We have a possible burglary in the